The all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is here, and it's already shaking up the mid-range smartphone market. Samsung has packed this phone with a blend of elegance, power, and innovation that truly defines the 2025 experience. From design to performance, everything feels upgraded and refined. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A57 5G comes with a sleek matte finish body, slim bezels, and a premium glass-like back that gives it a flagship feel. The moment you hold it, you realize Samsung has taken style seriously this year. The phone features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals and ultra-smooth scrolling whether you're gaming, watching movies, or multitasking. Under the hood, the A57 5G is powered by a next-gen Exynos 1480 processor built for power efficiency and performance. Paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, this phone ensures fast multitasking, quick app launches, and lag-free gaming. When it comes to photography, the 64-megapixels AAA camera setup steals the show. The images are sharp, colors are vibrant, and low-light shots come out detailed. The 32-megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, making it a solid choice for content creators and vloggers. Battery life is another major win. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts an entire day with heavy use, and with 25W fast charging, you're back up in no time. It also supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and the latest Android 15 One UI experience, ensuring everything runs flawlessly. In short, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G brings flagship-level features at a mid-range price, fast, beautiful, and powerful. If you're looking for a balanced phone that delivers in every area, this one won't disappoint. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more exciting mobile reviews every day.